Welcome everyone. My name is Praveen Kumar and I'm the CTO and co-founder of Zummit Infolabs, Digital Nexus AI and Sprhava. If you're passionate about AI ML, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through what our AI ML internship is all about and what you can expect from the internship. Our internship is a 4-month program designed to give you hands-on experience in AI and ML. But first, you need to clear a technical round and a HR round of interview to get the internship. Don't worry, it is not generally difficult, as we look at good attitude, passion, and willingness to learn. For the first 2 weeks, you will follow a structured learning path. This is a self-paced activity consisting of videos, source code, or blog links covering key topics. For AI ML internship, the learning path will have Python, data science foundations, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, computer vision, and more. During this phase, we have daily stand-ups where a Scrum Master checks your tasks and keeps a track. Once you complete your learning path, you will be assigned to real-world AI projects. Our projects include AI smart glasses for our German client, stock prediction project, logistics project, biotech client project, and many more. Here, you'll work in teams, sometimes with members from different countries and time zones, so please keep in mind the cross-cultural differences and follow good etiquettes. One of the most exciting aspects of our internship is the war room sessions. These happen once or twice a week, where we deep dive into AI ML topics and latest tech in an interactive interview-style discussion. These sessions will not only strengthen your concepts, but also boost your confidence. This internship is more than just technical skills. It's about teamwork and knowledge sharing. You'll meet many interns like yourself, some with more experience, some with less, but the key is to exchange knowledge and grow together. You will also have access to mentors, team leaders, and senior AI engineers who will guide you in technology and career development. During the internship, you can prepare for your future career. You will get guidance on resume building and ATS optimization, industry jargons and best practices, networking strategies via LinkedIn and others. By the end of this internship, you won't just have AI ML skills, you'll have enough tools in your bag for cracking the job market. I encourage you to work hard, stay curious, and absorb as much knowledge as possible. The skills you gain here will set the foundation for your AI ML career. Wishing you all the best for your internship and your future. See you in the world of AI.